Okay, and then when I am planning to use these wire strippers, it works so that first there are those holes in here, and then I have to choose this my right hole for this my cable, and it is just if this cable goes through that hole, like in here, this is too big, but these are okay, that one and that one, and I choose now the second smallest hole, and I take this cable away something like 1 inch at least. That means about 2 to 3 centimeters. And now I insert that my cable directly in this hole. Look, there is hole. I target this my cable directly in there, and then I a little bit open, and something like 2 millimeter, 2 to 3 centimeters, and then I start to press this my tongs, and when I press that hard, now there is full compression. Look, then I take this cable in here and I pull out like pin in that way. And if this is too hard, I can take this little bit bigger hole in here. Now I choose a little bit bigger hole. Okay, in here, and again I pull out that in this way. This cable direction is in here. Okay, and look, now this looks excellent. So easy. This my stripper takes only this plastic part away, and this is cool stuff. This is really a nice tool to use. And then I remember that this hole is this 1.5 millimeter in here. Not smallest one, not second, it is third one. And then I take all of these cables, at least this one plus about 1 or 1.5 inches away. In that way, white, and then 2 reds. Okay, there. Good, and then hard compression. Okay, and it is not again. There. And now this black one looks to be a little bit smaller, and then I choose this smaller hole in here. Smaller line. That way. Okay, now it was partially okay. Let's test again. Let's do that again. Okay, now this is fine. And then the final one. Now okay, cool, and this is excellent. Excellent. I take a little bit more that material in here. That way. And if this material is too tight, we can use a little bit this sharp knife, and we can take those cables also away in that way. Okay, good. Then I can cut this. Now there is one black, second black, and blue and white. And then I open this my old connector, put this in here, and I throw now this extra part away, and then I open this my old joint, and I can use this my sharp knife carefully and work very carefully always this knife out of your hand, no ever in that way, because soon we have hurt in our skin. Okay, and this is excellent joint because these are difficult to open. Now it opens good. Okay. Okay, now this first blue is free, blue cable, and then I open this. The next one is white one. There's white connection. Good. There is this joint. I opened that joint. Now white is free, and then I have to open this black. Black cable. Black cable carefully, and soon I can see these black cables. Okay, there is this connection. Okay, and there is this black connection. Good. And then one connection left in here. Okay, good. Now there's this final joint, and I open that also. Good. And now this my connector is free. The connector is in here, in that part, and then I throw that old sensor away. And there is this my new sensor, and there is this my old connector, and I start this my job that this blue is nice color. I like that. I start that in blue, and in that step idea is that I rotate that firstly in that way, look, and then we have striked. I keep my fingers in here, and then I rotate that metallic stripes, and then I have this similar part in here, this blue one, and I rotate also that in this way. Okay, now I rotate, and now I can start this job so that I have two blue lines, and then I insert this in that position.